Nate with the 99 Outdoors. Join us today as we're in Sulphur at the Chickasaw National Recreation Area for episode 2 of Oklahoma Runs Deep. Today, we're going to be going swimming, jumping off cliffs, hiking, and much more. We have made it to Flower Park. Really pretty. Very, very pretty. There's a lot of crawdads and minnows. All kinds of cool creatures in there. We have arrived at the waterfall. I wish I could describe the smell that is here right now. There's a little water spigot. We might have to try it. So here we go. No. No.
Bro, that is literally the worst way this trip could have started. How do people drink that?
Well guys, we're headed to Buffalo and Antelope Springs. We do have to hike to get there, so I'll see you guys on the trail. So unfortunately, we won't be able to get to see the nature center today because it is Monday. I'll go ahead and edit some B-roll clips in right here. Leaves of 3, let it be. What is this? Oh, Antelope Springs that way, Buffalo that way. Okay, let's see. Looks like they go to the same place. We're just gonna go to Antelope Springs real quick. Pond turtles. We have made it to Antelope Springs. so overgrown. I think I'm lost. Dang it. How'd I do this again? No, this ain't the trail. We'll leave him here, leave him to it. This is just a weird looking tree. Just a really weird tree. All right, we are headed to Buffalo Springs. Redbuds. So, I'm just hiking along and I was thinking about this phrase. Basically it says, not all who wander are lost. But in my case, I'm kind of lost. I don't know. Oh well. Okay, we have made it to the Buffalo Springs. The water's bubbling, the natural springs. You guys can see it is just crystal clear. We made it to the Dry Creek Loop Trail. See you guys when we get done. Yeah, that is an ant carrying a dead bee. What the heck? How cool is this? I guess you gotta jump, huh? I feel like there's supposed to be a rock there. Now, if I had to give ratings for survival awareness, I would say mine is probably at least like, I don't know, at least like a 10. Couldn't be anything less.
We have made it to Little Niagara. We are going to go jump in the water and cool off because it is getting hot out.
All right, you guys, we're about to jump on in. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe and check out my channel where I've got a lot more videos like this one. Peace.